Hello everyone, I am hongyu. This is an IoT test. The topic is create an IoT bus embedded system using the ESP32 to measure the temperature and humidity for room. Next, I will explain my answer ideas. First, question requirements. There are six requirements in total. 1. Use single I/O as the MQTT blocker. 2. Use two DHT22 sensor connect to one ESPT32 as the publisher. 3. U1 LD connect to one ESPT32 as the subscriber. 4. Write a C++ program in the Arduino. 5. Upload program to the ESP32. 6. Create a dashboard with the following specification. Second, writing diagram. The following devices are required for the experiment and is ESP32 and DHT22 and LD is blackboard is white. This is the 30 pins for ESP32. This time I use the 5 pin and is 3.3 GND and D4, D12, D15. Here are the parameters of DHT22 sensor. It has 3 pins and VCC. Power supply to 3.3 to 5.5. Data outputs bottle temperature and humidity through serial data and GND and GND. Connect the physical diagram. The first DHT22 sensor is connected to the ESPT32 and VCC to 3.3 GND to GND, data to D4 and DHT22 second is connected to VCC to 3.3 GND to GND and data to D15. The LED is connected to the ESPT32, which the anode to D12 and the cathode to GND. It is the writing diagram. Third, program explanation. There is the program indicates called the single I/O library to connect ESP32 to the single cloud platform, and is one called the DHT sensor library to read THT22 temperature and humidity data. There is program indicates define my single I/O platform username, device ID, device credential, and the SSID and password for connecting to the photo Wi-Fi. N is 1 defined to DHT sensor for topic DHT22 are defined, and the two out pins are connected to pins 4 and 15 for ESP32 respectively. Next is 1 initialize serial communication setting 12 to output model starts connection to the Wi-Fi network pings the ESP32 device to the single I/O cloud platform and initialize to the HT sensor. And is 1 define a line resource associated which the pins on the ESP32 development board and use signal input to control the LED on and off. And is 1 signal temperature 1, signal temperature 2 define resource name temperature 1 and temperature 2 and set callback function to read the upload the temperature values for the DHT1 and DHT2 sensor to the serial monitor when required by the single I/O platform. And it is program indicates define resource named humidity 1 and humidity 2 and set callback function to real upload humidity values from DHT1 and DHT2 sensor to the serial monitor when required by the single I/O platform. Finally, is 1 process any request from the single I/O platform with an interval for 5 seconds. Fourth, single I/O interface. Connect the board to the computer and download the Arduino program to ESP32. And then this is my single I/O account. Then this interface will appear. Include this 4 paths and is Humanity 1, Humanity 2, and LD temperature 1, temperature 2. Now I will create the single I/O interface. Open the single and then click try if fulfilled. M is my single name and click device and click one and display online. Click API. Now display humidity 1, humidity 2, and LED temperature 1, temperature 2. Click humidity, humidity 1 and click this one and display humidity. One is 74.5 and humidity 2 and clear wrong wrong and display is humidity 2 is 17.5 and clear LED and control LED turn on and turn off. And then clear temperature 1 and clear room. Display temperature 1 and is 26.6 and clear temperature 2 and clear room and display temperature 2 for 26.7. Next step and clear dashboard and then click is 1 and then delete again and add wager and temperature 1 and choose is 1 and then click is 1 from device and then click is 1 and temperature 1 choose is 1 in 5 seconds and set and then temperature 2 quality and humidity 1 and then choose is 1 and is 1 and 5 seconds and then temperature 2 and choose is 1 and choose is 1 again family 2 and choose is 1 and then choose this one. Finally, and everything and choose this one on and off. And then click save and finish single. Now display temperature 1, temperature 2, humidity 1, humidity 2, and everything. According the requirement for the topic gap is interface, which the video and click LED and then yellow LED on and then click turn off and LED off. Now and temperature 2 and humidity 2 is trade and then and temperature 1 data is trade and humidity 1 is trade. It is my IoT test. Thank you, everyone.